Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. This reaction involves acid-catalyzed hydration with a carbocation rearrangement, ring expansion. The substrate appears to be a cyclobutane with an exocyclic alkene, vinyl cyclobutane type system, and the product is a cyclopentanol, indicating a ring expansion has occurred. Moving on to the next step. Protonation of the double bond, first transition state, TS1, to give the more stable carbocation intermediate. The alkene is protonated by H+ to form a primary or secondary carbocation adjacent to the cyclobutane ring. This gives intermediate 1, a carbocation. Moving on to the next step. The carbocation undergoes a 1,2-alkyl shift, ring expansion. The cyclobutane ring expands to a cyclopentyl carbocation. This migration passes through a transition state, TS2, to give intermediate 2, the cyclopentyl carbocation, a more stable tertiary carbocation. And for the final step, the cyclopentyl carbocation may undergo a further 1,2-hydride or methyl shift to give a more stable tertiary carbocation. This passes through TS3 to give intermediate 3, rearranged tertiary carbocation. Water attacks the carbocation, nucleophilic addition, passing through TS4 to give an oxonium ion intermediate. However, in many treatments the water attack and deprotonation are counted together, or the oxonium ion is not counted as a discrete intermediate in the energy diagram context. Alternatively, the sequence is 1. Protonation carbocation 1, 2. Ring expansion carbocation 2, 3. Water attack oxonium ion, intermediate 3, 4. Deprotonation product. This gives 4 transition states and 3 intermediates. Detailed count. TS1, protonation of alkene intermediate 1, secondary carbocation next to cyclobutane. TS2, 1, 2 carbon shift, ring expansion, intermediate 2, tertiary cyclopentyl carbocation. TS3, water attacks carbocation intermediate 3, protonated alcohol oxonium ion. TS4, deprotonation of oxonium ion product, cyclopentanol. This gives 4 transition states and 3 intermediates. Why other options fail? A. 3 TS and 3 intermediates undercounts transition states. C. 3 TS and 2 intermediates undercounts both. D. 5 TS and 4 intermediates overcounts. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.